Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Daily Tech Tips and Tricks. If you're thinking about building your own PC or just want to understand what makes your computer tick, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the most crucial PC components, what they do, and why they matter. We'll dive deep into each part, from the brain of the operation to the often overlooked heroes that keep everything running smoothly. So, grab your screwdrivers and let's get started. First up, we've got the CPU, the brains of your computer. This little chip processes all the instructions from your programs, telling your computer what to do and how to do it. Imagine it like a conductor of an orchestra, making sure everything works together in perfect harmony. When you're looking at CPUs, focus on core count and clock speed. Think of cores like lanes on a highway. More cores mean more cars can travel simultaneously without getting stuck in traffic. Clock speed is like the speed limit on those highway lanes. A higher clock speed means things get processed faster, crucial for tasks like gaming. The CPU is the heart of your system. Choosing the right one can make all the difference in how smoothly and efficiently your computer runs. Next up, we've got the GPU, the powerhouse behind those stunning visuals on your screen. Whether you're a gamer, a video editor, or just enjoy watching high-definition movies, the GPU brings those pixels to life. VRAM, or video memory, is like the GPU's own personal RAM, storing all the textures, images, and other graphical data it needs to access quickly. More VRAM means the GPU can handle more demanding games and applications without stuttering or slowing down. Consider power consumption, cooling, and noise levels, especially if you're building a compact system or value a quiet working environment. If you're serious about visuals, a powerful GPU is a must-have. Now let's talk about the motherboard, the unsung hero of your PC build. It's the foundation that connects all your components together, like the central nervous system of your computer. The motherboard dictates what CPUs, RAM, and expansion cards your system can use, so it's essential to choose one that's compatible with your other components. Form factor is another important consideration. Motherboards come in different sizes, from the compact Mini ITX to the full-sized ATX. Make sure your motherboard has enough expansion slots for your current and future needs. Do your research, read reviews, and make sure it aligns with your build goals and budget. Alright, let's talk about RAM, or Random Access Memory. This is your computer's short-term memory, where it stores data that it needs to access quickly. Think of it like your desk. The more desk space you have, the more projects and papers you can spread out and work on simultaneously. More RAM means you can have more applications open at the same time without experiencing lag or slowdowns. If you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who likes to have a million tabs open at once, aim for at least 16 gigabytes or even 32 gigabytes or more. RAM speed is measured in megahertz, and faster RAM can improve system responsiveness and application loading times. Start with a decent amount and upgrade later if you find your system needs a boost. Now let's talk about storage, the digital warehouse where all your files, applications, and operating system reside. We have two main contenders: SSDs or solid-state drives and HDDs or hard disk drives. HDDs are the veterans, using spinning platters and a mechanical arm to read and write data. SSDs, on the other hand, use flash memory chips, making them significantly faster and more durable. SSDs drastically reduce boot times, application loading times, and overall system responsiveness. A common strategy is to use an SSD as your primary drive for the OS and essential programs, and a larger HDD for storing files, games, and other data you don't access as frequently. If you're looking for the absolute best performance, NVMe SSDs offer lightning-fast data transfer speeds. Alright, let's talk about the unsung hero of your PC build, the power supply unit, or PSU. Think of the PSU as the heart of your computer, pumping power to every single component. When choosing a PSU, wattage is the first thing to consider. Make sure your PSU has enough wattage to comfortably power all your components, especially under heavy load. Consider the PSU's efficiency rating, indicated by the 80+ certification. Higher ratings like Gold or Platinum are more efficient, wasting less energy as heat. A more efficient PSU not only saves you money on your electricity bill, but also generates less heat, which can help prolong the life of your components. Invest in a quality PSU with enough wattage, a good efficiency rating, and a reputable brand to ensure a stable and long-lasting system. Now let's talk about keeping your components cool because things can get pretty toasty inside your PC. A good cooling system is essential for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating. When it comes to cooling, you have two main options: air cooling and liquid cooling. Air cooling is the more common and budget-friendly option, using heat sinks and fans to dissipate heat away from your components. Liquid cooling offers superior cooling performance, especially for high-end systems and overclocking, but it also requires more maintenance. The cooling solution you choose will depend on your budget, performance needs, and aesthetic preferences. Finally, let's talk about the case, the often overlooked component that houses all your precious hardware. The case affects airflow, cable management, and even the overall aesthetics of your build. When choosing a case, size matters. The size you need will depend on the size of your motherboard, the number of expansion slots you need, and your cooling solution. Look for cases with good ventilation, including mesh panels, dust filters, and strategically placed fan mounts. A well-organized case with plenty of cable routing options can improve airflow, make your build look cleaner, and make it easier to upgrade or troubleshoot components in the future. Choose a case that matches your personal style and complements your build. And that's a wrap on the most crucial PC components you need to know about. Building or understanding your own PC can seem daunting, but hopefully this video has shed some light on these essential components and why they matter. Remember, choosing the right parts for your needs and budget is key to a smooth and enjoyable computing experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in the wonderful world of PC building. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.